If you are planning to buy a new phone for you, then this video will help you out in choosing the best and the latest phone for you. In this video, I am going to show you some of the latest smartphone launches that you can consider to buy in the month of July, August or September 2021. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which new smartphone did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G, the most awaited budget 5G phone in many of the countries. Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G was already launched in China. It is expected that this phone will be launching in the month of August or September 2021 in many of the countries like India. The phone comes with a beautiful 6.6-inch display with a full HD Plus resolution. The phone is powered by a powerful octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone runs Android 11 software and it is coming with a huge 5000 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G on the rear packs 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.9 and a second 8MP camera and a third 2MP camera. The rear camera looks promising and sure to take the best pictures. There is also a 16MP camera for selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 8.9mm in thickness and weighs around 193 grams. The smartphone was launched in China with the colors like Magic Green, Star Yarn and Moonsoul colors, and the colors may be different in other countries. The expected price of the phone will be around $250 to $300 in the international market and 16 to 18,000 Indian rupees. Links will be given in the description. When the phone is available, you can check the price and availability in your country there and buy it from there. Oppo Reno 6 Pro. Oppo fans are waiting for this mid-range camera smartphone. Oppo Reno 6 Pro was already launched in China and it is expected that this smartphone will be available in the month of August in India and other countries. The phone comes with a beautiful 6.5-inch of touchscreen display with a full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone will run Android 11 software and it is powered by 4500 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. The Oppo Reno series is known for their great cameras. Reno 6 Pro on the rear packs a 64MP primary camera, a 8MP second camera, a 2MP third and a 2MP fourth camera. There is also a 32MP selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone is very sleek and thin. The phone just measures 7.6mm in thickness and weighs around 177 grams. Not only it is thin, it is also lightweight. Vivo Y73. Vivo Y73 was launched on 10th of June 2021 and it looks promising, and it is also one of the best budget camera smartphone that you can buy in 2021. The phone comes with a beautiful 6.4-inch of touchscreen display with a full HD Plus resolution, and the smartphone is powered with a powerful budget chipset that is MediaTek Helio G95 processor coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone runs Android 11 software and it is powered by 4000 mAh of battery, also comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Vivo Y73 on the rear packs a 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.79, a 2MP second camera with an aperture of f2.4 and a 2MP third camera with the same aperture of f2.4. It also sports 16MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimension is concerned, the phone is very thin at just 7.8mm in thickness and weighs around 170 grams. The smartphone was launched in diamond flare and Roman black colors that looks beautiful. The smartphone will be available for a price around 18 to 20,000 Indian rupees and $250 to $300 in the international market. Honor 50 Pro. Honor 50 Pro mobile was launched on 17th June 2021. The phone comes with a beautiful 6.72-inch of touchscreen display with a Quad HD resolution. Honor 50 Pro is powered by the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, which is the latest from Qualcomm, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Honor 50 Pro runs Android 11 software. Yes, you heard it right. This is not Huawei, this is Honor, so it can enjoy the Android. And it is powered by 4000 mAh of battery that also comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Honor 50 Pro on the rear packs 108 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel second camera, a 2 megapixel third and a 2 megapixel fourth camera. For selfies, there is a dual selfie camera comprising of a 32 megapixel plus 12 megapixel camera. The phone looks promising, and if you're looking for a mid-range camera smartphone comes with a 5G connection, then go for this phone. Samsung Galaxy M32, the latest budget smartphone from Samsung. If you're looking for a Samsung phone in the month of August or September, then this is the best and the latest from Samsung. The phone comes with a beautiful 6.4-inch touchscreen display with a full HD resolution. The Samsung Galaxy M32 is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio G80 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and it is powered by a huge 6000 mAh of battery. As far as cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy M32 on the rear packs 64 megapixel primary camera, a second 8 megapixel camera, a third 2 megapixel camera and a fourth 2 megapixel camera. The rear camera looks promising and sure to take the best pictures. There is a 20 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, as the phone houses 6000 mAh of battery, the phone is thick at 9.3mm and weighs around 196 grams. The smartphone was launched in black and light blue colors that looks amazing. Coming to the price of the phone is available for a price of 14 to 15,000 Indian rupees, and in the international market you will get this for only $180 to $200. OnePlus Nord CE 5G. OnePlus Nord CE 5G is the latest mid-range smartphone from OnePlus, which is also a 5G phone. If you're really looking for a mid-range 5G phone with the best camera, then go for this phone. The Nord CE 5G from OnePlus caters to the lower end of the smartphone market. OnePlus claims that the CE is the name stands for Core Edition since the device is capable of delivering a core smartphone experience. The OnePlus Nord covers all the basic in terms of specification and also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a hole punch for the selfie camera. It also has a 90Hz refresh rate and the display has a good viewing angles and in-display fingerprint scanner which is quick and gives you amazing display experience. As far as cameras are concerned, it packs a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel mono camera. For selfies, there is a 16 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The smartphone packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a 30 watt fast charging support and comes with a Warp Charge 30T charger in the box. So these are some of the latest and the new smartphones in the market that you can buy in the month of August and September 2021. If I had left any of the new and the latest best phone in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.